My name is Marissa Clapson. I'm currently a PhD candidate in chemistry, and my research focus is on the activation of small molecules, so stuff like water, carbon dioxide, with first-row transition metals. When I'm researching for different sources of evidence, you're really going to want to look at what journal is it in. You know, is it a scientific journal? So you're really not going to be looking up chemistry things on Facebook. And then you also need to take a deeper dive. So a lot of chemistry, even though it's in a very good journal and it's published by maybe researchers that you know, there still might be some inconsistencies with the theory. And really there you just have to apply what you know about the field and assess whether that's a reasonable conclusion, especially for applying to your own research, or whether that's a little less reasonable and needs to maybe have a bit more evidence to back it up. I'd say the number one thing is avoid the desire to just jump on the Google machine and just go wild. Because although Google does have Google Scholar and things like that, it's really important to recognize that a lot of sources like Wikipedia can be edited by people that are not in the field. So you're really going to want to stick to peer-reviewed journals. A lot of this is, you know, from the library. You're really going to want to make sure that it's applicable to your field, I guess is a good example. And then I'd say the rest of it is you're just going to have to try and really think, does this apply to what research I'm looking at right now? So if it's research for a course, it should be starting to use the same language that your course has been using, and it's probably a better resource than somebody just talking at a conference. Regardless of whether you're doing formal research, it's good to explore science. So I think it really helps us understand the world around us. So especially, you know, when you're a child and even when you're an adult, there's a lot of things that we admittedly don't understand. So you really need to go out there and try and learn more. And really, research, even at a post-secondary level, isn't any different. You've just picked a topic that you think is really cool, and you go and learn more. And I think that process of always learning more is what's going to help us to be better as a society, honestly.